Hello guys, good morning to each and everyone, especially to my YT friends. And this is Annie PH, and I got my monetization and and Sir Luxor, thank you so much, and Cici Elen and Ma'am Lily, Sir Marcos, and Nikita, thank you for your comments of my short video and all mic playing of my WH, and thank you so much. Sir John, thank you for your support, and Lahore, and who else? J Music TV, thank you also for your support for me, for being of my YouTube channel, and thank you for your comments and support. And again, to all of my friends, thank you so much, CC May bloggers, and what else? But all of my friends, thank you so much. I will not to speech to each every one of your name, because we all 3.5 subscribers. And again, thank you so much. Happy for you to each and everyone to support my channel, especially the whole playing of my WH guys. And now I am facing for you. I'm going to apply my monetization, and I will wait 2 to 3 weeks, and that's I'm waiting for my AdSense guys. And also thank you so much, Jessie, for playing of my playlist. And who else? Sir Stout. I forget for you, sir. And even we I forget you, but all doing play of my uh, playlist. And thank you so much and appreciate it, guys. And Sisi Edita, shout out for you. You are always also uh, stay of my live stream, and my friend, and uh, Italy, Tita Shelly, good morning also. And Sis Blarty, thank you for being for me of my one of supporting and Italy. Sis Blarty, guys. And don't forget to support of her channel. And Modern Time Express, thank you so much also. And everyone guys, thank you so much. And the one doing to help of my monetization uh, video, to especially the one who playing of my video. Mingay. I forgot Mingay. I'm sorry. Mingay also, and the mom and boy Colette. She the one also to play of my playlist, and CC Imelda, and Daggy Boy. Thank you so much for playing also of my WH. And one of my friend in Nepal, Loin Gamba, thank you so much, and Lahore. And this one, Raj Gaming, he also comments of my video. And Ranga Ranga Sindagi also, she's the one of my supporter of my YouTube. And Sir June Satsat also, and Triple J. Thank you so much for being on my channel. And everyone, I cannot one by one to you guys. We have more, and for being Me Too Vlog 1, thank you so much for always loving of my live stream. And who else? Ma'am Lily also. Thank you so much, Ma'am Lily, for being of my channel. And everyone, guys, for the community of Sherlock Sword, thank you so much for being of my channel, guys. And we don't one by one for you because we have more people, and the one who go in my channel and do subscribe and make it a view of my uh, videos, guys. Again, thank you so much. And what else there? What else? We have a new friend. Thank you so much for being the support of my channel, guys. And Sisi Helen, thank you so much for your support also of my channel. And everyone, guys, and that's it that I share to you. And I will thank you to everyone of us, and more power. God bless. And this is Annie PH, guys, and I love you all. I'm happy for you guys to support my channel. And also sis Ellen PH, she the one of right on of my uh, mm, playing of my video. Since zero to the end, she don't leave me. That's I'm telling her thank you so much of my friend for being me all the time. Again, thank you so much, guys, for my almighty friends, and more power. God bless you. God bless us all, guys, and that's it. And again, have a nice day to each and everyone, and that's it. And bye bye, guys.